We are headed over to Colorado for the Colorado Mega. What the fuck? Seeing a whole bunch of stuff we didn't expect and figuring out the real reason why people ride e-bikes. You don't want to miss this. Yo!
Bro, what are you doing?
Yo, bro, we're going on the Colorado rideout, remember? Bro! Just like that, Red and I embarked on our journey of a 16-hour drive all the way over to Denver, Colorado from Southern California. I did not expect this to be one of the most beautiful trips I've ever been on. We were laughing and smiling the entire way. Holy shit, bro! We made it to Denver, bro! Red, what are we gonna do, bro? Like, where are we gonna stay? Are we homeless for the next 8 days? Yes. Bro, what? Nah, just kidding. We got an Airbnb, but then this happened.
Working on red Surron. It's been giving us hell of problems, man. Working on bikes all day, dude. We're out here in Colorado. Moment of truth, bro. We got the e-bike finally back together. And it's doing something weird already. Just went by itself, as you can see.
I hate e-bikes. Nightmare, dude. But thankfully, the team at Chai Batteries was in town, so they were able to help us get Red's bike back on the road. Boys, we outside in Colorado right now. We just found a little pack. We're out here. I'm on a loaner bike right now because Red Surron was causing him a lot of issues. So we had to, you know, like rely on like somebody else because I didn't want to not have a bike for the Mega Ride. And then a kid hooked us up and he's letting me use his Talari. I'm sure you can get this kind of stuff in California, but I live in LA, so that's like a really far trip. And I just don't see this kind of stuff often, man. Like, look at this. Red, what are you doing here, bro? We finally get some content out of state, bro. I told you guys I'm gonna make this shit happen. We are here in Colorado. Oh, bro, where am I right now, bro? What the hell? Bro, is that a 72 volt Studio? Wait. They just came out with this? Holy shit. Okay. What is this, Red Dead Redemption 2? Oh, wheelies in Red Dead 2? Hey, all right. Where's it work out, Red? Just do wheelies in like random spots, bro. Like I was in just California not too long ago. I might get one, dude. Like I love this bike. It's perfect. We're pulling up to the freaking Colorado Mega Ride, dude. No way. Guys, the goal for this video is to find out why exactly these people like to go out on these rideouts. And even though it's super illegal, super dangerous, I'm trying to find out exactly what motivates them to do what they do. Like, guys, there's so many people that do this stuff, and they're so passionate about it. We gotta find out. Oh my God, so many heads. What makes you guys like want to ride e-bikes, and like, why are you guys so passionate about it, bro?
It's fun as hell. It makes you feel free, and it's fun to just get outside instead of sitting inside and play video games all
That's
day.
what
it just gives you like a thrill and it's like peaceful. I don't know, it's just nice.
Bro, why you like e-bikes so much, bro?
Bro, it's the best thing ever, bro. It gets us out the streets. It brings us all together, bro. Look, we travel in the States, bro. I wouldn't know you guys. I wouldn't see you guys if it wasn't for the Surron Mega Ride.
Exactly.
In general, and all you guys, man. I appreciate the e-bikes, man. Yes, sir.
Yes. What makes you want to ride e-bikes, bro? Like, why is it so important to you, bro?
Bro, it's freedom. The politics is all about freedom, true freedom. People pay for therapists all the time. They ain't got shit to show for it. Look what I got to show for my therapist. Bikes definitely, for me, saved my life. You feel me? Kept me out of trouble. I got a ton of felonies, kept me out of gangbanging. You know, I got a crazy past. I had no parents since I was 12 years old. You feel what I'm saying? Gave me a more legitimate way of life.
Yeah. How do you feel like, you know, like being a female in this space, like it's so male dominated, you know what I'm saying?
I love being a female and a male dominated sport, just taking over, you know? Yeah, the woman that's outside. I'm not willing yet, but it's alright, because catch me next time and you won't see me with my wheel in the air.
Yeah, oh, not wheel in the air?
No, hell no.
I
bust my ass, I'm in recovery right now.
This sport is like dangerous as
dangerous, but I'm about this.
Brandon from Chai right here, bro. How does it feel to create one of the best batteries on the market?
It's great because we're just doing what we love, you know. Everyone at the factory, we're so passionate about this. It's like a dream job. Like we're living the dream, yeah.
Damn, bro, it really feels like a dream job?
Yeah, man. Coming out to events like this too and getting to talk to everybody with like our products.
Yeah, it feels like you're not even working.
Personal, passionate is I love exploring. Like I love riding in new cities. I love seeing everything in my city.
Hey, yo, you're a little girl riding this bike?
I'm a little girl.
Wait, hold on, how old are you?
15.
You're a little girl, like come on, you still haven't even got your driver's license yet? What makes you like want to ride, you know what I mean?
I mean, it's like a nice hobby to have. It gives me something to do.
Is it better than like going shopping all the time?
Oh yeah.
This is so sick, we're about to get active. The rideout is about to start, boys.
Stop, we good, stop, chill.
Slow working, come on.
Let's go.
Guys, this is one of the most comfortable bikes I've ever ridden in my entire life. I think I might buy an XXX, bro.
Screening, yeah. Don't not get straight but straight. Don't not get straight but straight. Don't not get straight but straight.
Red, what happened to your bike, bro? Is it always something? Still pump it up. You. Red, what happened? Yo, bro, let me borrow a zip tie.
You guys zip ties? Yeah. I just need 2.
No, here.
Oh, you guys need any more? I don't think that'll work.
Well, give me a second. Come on now, relax, lady. All right, mama. All right, take me to dinner now. Hey, sorry about that. I'm just joking around. Like, come on, we out. Colorado is one of the best places to do a mega ride because it's right in the middle of the country. People from the south, from the north, you! People from the south, from the north, from the west, from the east, they can all come out here and say what's up to each other. You all have the same exact hobby, so it's so easy to like talk to people, bro. You can just go up to someone and be like, yo, bro, you ride bikes? I ride bikes too, and it's like you already have something in common. So sick being out here with a bunch of like-minded people, and guys, I see all these people as my friends, bro. Guys, to beg the question, like, why do people ride bikes? Let me tell you right now why I'd ride bikes. Let me tell y'all. I just love doing wheelies, man. It's so much fun. It's like you're up and it just feels so good when you're doing a wheelie. All the other experiences that I've had in my life, it's like, yeah, this is pretty cool, but when I hopped on a bike and started riding, I'm like, oh my god. Sir! Yes, sir! Keep that bit on a swap! Got you into e-bikes, bro.
My friend, before like everybody had them, it's just my one friend that had one.
Yeah.
And I was like, I wanted to do it with him.
What does it like provide for you?
Freedom.
Freedom, and like you do it because you love to wheelie too, right? Yeah. You're like really good on it?
I'm not that good.
You run from cops?
They don't really care that much.
And this is me signing a shirt. Dude, I've never signed anything in my entire life. This is my first couple times signing something. So big shout out to Terry and his homie William. I forgot the other dude's name, but you guys made the trip way more fun. Hey, stop playing. We signed his shirt. Let's go. Yo, what makes you guys want to ride e-bikes, bro? Like, why y'all so into it?
The wind in my face.
Here, bro, it feels so good.
It's fun, you know?
Yeah, it's fun, it's fun. Hey, yo, doesn't it feel good to, like, do something that you shouldn't be doing, right? Yeah. We're about to roll out. This is the main ride. I'm more excited today than the last one. I don't know why. Because it's a daytime ride out, bro. It's exactly what I was looking for. You got space? Come on, I know you got it. Hey, yo, match this. Yeah. There we go. I heard you insane. Oh my god, there he is! Let's go! Oh! What the fuck? What kind of trick is that? Oh my god, I see you! He's a Bex on the Fast on the X5! Watch out! Walk, get back up. Oh my god, keep going. What the fuck? I don't believe it. Okay, there he is. Okay. Holy crap, guys, look at this. Red outside, guys. I absolutely love this dude, man. Hey, screw you, bro. You're the one that caused this. Your bike was messed up. The ugliest? Man, screw you, dude. You're the one that put me on this bike. He's shown me a lot in my life, and he's taught me a lot, and he's honestly one of the people that I look up to the most out of everybody in my life, man. He's taught me so much, and he's honestly got me to the place where I'm at today. I really love that dude. What he portrays in his videos is literally exactly what he's like in real life. He's just a super nice guy. Oh my god, sport bike shit! Guys, look at this right now. Holy crap, look at that. Look how many people are here. This is crazy. Hey, mama, can you wheelie? Well, can you try or no? Officer, is everything all right? Everything all right? Go, go, go! Dude, there's not much else in the world where you can travel super far and meet so many like-minded people. Something different, man. It's something really different. Not gonna lie, I do get scared sometimes. Like, man, there's so many people and there's so much action going on and people get really close to crashing. Sometimes people fly right past you going like 50 miles an hour. Just like, man, calm down. You can't control so many people. If somebody else crashes, that's their responsibility. I wasn't a part of it. I didn't cause any of that. If I caused it, I would feel really bad. And I still do feel really bad if anybody crashes. Like, I feel terrible for them. Ask her for her number.
I'm gonna be like the 50th dude, bro.
My boy right here wants her number. What?
I can't.
You haven't seen him. Let's take a look at my boy right here.
I have a boy.
You're such a liar.
Guys, that trip was amazing. We had so much fun, bro, and we learned a lot about why people really do like to ride e-bikes. It really gives them a sense of freedom and a purpose in life almost. I know it gave me a purpose in my life. And what better way to finish off the video by going on a little boat ride with Red and letting off some fireworks.
Wait. Tour de la Red. Tour de la Red. So here is where Galapagos Journey was, I think.
Yo, how the hell are we gonna get out of here? Red, what are you doing right now, Red? Red, what are you up to right now, bro? Where are we right now,
We're
bro?
gonna find the Galapagos Journey.
Why are we in the middle of a lake right? I thought we were gonna go on a Surron Mega Ride. Why are we in the middle of the lake right now?
Be on a mega ride. Alright guys, if you guys made it this far, like and subscribe. It only helps the channel. And the only way to end this trip, lighting some fireworks. Come on now. Come on.
Like this is gonna lay it. Like go fast.
Oh my god! Shit. Oh my god! Oh!
It's the coolest fucking thing I've ever seen. Like and subscribe, guys. Let's go.
Yo! Bro, yo, what are you doing here, bro? Wait, hold on.
What are you doing?